Hello guys, this is Mr. Singh. Welcome back to my channel. As you check it already my thumbnail that we are going to talk about top 10 easiest Schengen countries to obtain Schengen visa. There are a lot of videos on YouTube. You can check it as well. But still people they are confused. They don't know how to apply the Schengen visa, how to fill the form, how to select right countries. If you are pondering to apply Schengen visa, so you are on right place because I'll give you an idea to get Schengen visa with easiest way. A lot of people they want to apply directly Germany, France, Italy, Portugal, Sweden, Norway. It's my suggestion. It's according to the survey. Don't apply directly in these countries if you don't have good travel history. If you have good travel history, no doubt you can apply in these countries. You will get easily visa. But if you have normal travel history, so please follow this video, watch this video, share with your friend, comment below if you need any help. So I'll give you an idea about the top 10 easiest Schengen countries. Just follow up, just read it out and apply and get it to your dream. The first country is Lithuania. Lithuania is the easiest way to apply Schengen visa. According to the European Survey 2018 to 2019, the success rate was 98.7% with the rejection rate 1.3%. So this is the easiest and this is the first country to apply Schengen visa in summer because the European countries now they are going to start tourist visa soon. So just prepare your file. If you need any help, just comment below. I'll help you. Move on to the second country, that is Estonia. Estonia is a very beautiful country with a success rate of 98.4% and the rejection rate it was 1.6%. As you can check it, my background, you can see Estonia country. Now we will talk about the North European country, that is Finland. It's a very beautiful country with a success rate of 98.3% with the rejection rate of 1.7%. It's very beautiful as you can check it in the video. As we talk about recently about the Finland with the success rate and the rejection rate, same the fourth number is Iceland with the same success rate 98.3%, rejection rate 1.7%, and it's also very beautiful country. If you want Schengen visa of Iceland, you can apply for it in the summer because they are going to provide a lot of visa, and Iceland they have latest updations. They are going to start tourist visa after May. So check it out, video Iceland. Further on, the fifth country is Latvia. Latvia with a success rate of 97.9% and the rejection rate is 2.1%. So it's very beautiful country as well. So if you want Schengen visa, go for it because Latvia, it's not hard to apply. It's easy to apply. It's easy to get visa. If you need any help, just comment below. Check it out in the video about Latvia. Move on with Poland. This is the sixth country to apply Schengen visa very easily. The success rate is 97% with 3% rejection rate. So check it out, Poland video, and it's amazing. Move on to the seventh country, that is European and Schengen countries. A lot of agents, they don't want to apply that Luxembourg Schengen visa because they don't know how to handle the files. So now the seventh country is Luxembourg with the success rate of 96.3% and the rejection rate is 3.7%. So just prepare your files. Don't apply for directly German, France, Italy, Norway, because you will face a lot of problems. So this is the easiest countries. Just apply it. If you need any help, just comment below. I'll help you there. Move on to the eighth country. The success rate was 95.8% and the rejection rate 4.2%. That is Slovakia. Just check it out in the video, because if you want to apply whole Schengen visa, just go for it and check it, the beauty of the Slovakia in the video. Now we will talk about the second last country, that is Czech Republic with 95.3% and 4.7% the rejection rate. Check it about the beauty of Czech Republic in the video, and if you need any help, please comment below. in the last, with 95% success rate and 5% rejection rate, this country is famous for the honeymoon, famous for the newly couple. If you want to travel after marriage, if you want to celebrate your honeymoon, you can go for it. That is Greece, with the success rate of 95% and 5% rejection rate. If you have good file, if you have good documentations, if you are genuine, you can apply and you can celebrate your honeymoon in Greece with a beautiful island, and you will get easily visa. I hope this video is very valuable for you. If you want to know more about top 10 easiest countries, just comment below and I help you. I will comment you as soon as possible. You can follow me on Instagram #Mr. Singh after that, and you can check it about all the Schengen news, www.schengenvisa.com. This is my website, newly website. All the Schengen visa news in Hindi, you can check it out also, www.schengenvisa.com. The domain name, it's in description. Just go it and check it out. See you in the next video. वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह.